started the program because I have been working in scientific sales for a really long time, and I noticed that I had some gaps with regards to my business thinking and ability to engage with high-level executives in the companies I work for. But it was challenging because my job requires a ton of travel, not to mention the fact that I had 2 little kids at home that I was a primary caretaker for along with my job. It took some time to develop a system to properly work through time management, but also it took a village. And so my family, my partner, and lots of folks that were a part of my community, as well as the groups that I worked in, really helped me to be successful in the program. The executive program was the correct choice because it helped me to broaden my network, but it also helped to round me out as a scientist working in a business environment at Samsung Biologics. It has certainly set me up at this point to continue to grow by utilizing the learnings that I obtained throughout the program with regards to finance, strategy, critical thinking, and also bringing executive presence into any environment that I'm working on. I don't think there's ever a right time to wait for life to calm down. You kind of just throw yourself into it and work it out. I feel like the EMBA program was the most productive time of my life.